We just purchased another old home in Roanoke, Virginia to renovate and then resell. It's wildly outdated. With some new landscaping, the outside is gonna look tremendous. It's the inside that has some problems. Before I go inside, let me tell you, I do want feedback on different stuff we're gonna do in here, so please be ready to leave your comments. Here's the living room. This carpet is over 50 years old. Also, look at that massive mirror. But look what's underneath this carpet is hardwood floors. The floors will be refinished, but here's my first question for you all as the viewer. Would you leave this little stone entranceway here when you come in the front door? That front door is the only place you really come in this house. It also matches right there at the fireplace. So would you rip that up and put down new hardwoods, or refinish the hardwoods underneath that, or leave that there? Pause the video, comment your answer. Moving on, here's the dining area. No real questions there. You can see I already started to rip some of the wallpaper off the wall. For this monstrous mirror, should we get rid of it completely? Is that where someone would want to put their TV? Should we leave it and do nothing to it? Or should we build some kind of trim encasement around it to make it look a little more modern? Please pause the video and comment your thoughts on that. It's a 3-bedroom house. One of them, for some reason, has this old wooden paneling and also no light. As far as paneling goes, this is the good stuff. It's not that cheap cardboard crap. We've always ripped this stuff out and installed drywall or just painted over it, but there was a guy here who I was just selling some stuff to. He walked in this room and he thought it was like the coolest room ever. Modern, classy is what he said, or something like that. Maybe I got the terminology wrong, but anyway, do people actually think this is cool? Like, I thought this was just old. But please pause the video, comment, and let me know if you think we should keep this wood paneling room or bring it up to today's standards. As far as the kitchen goes, I don't have that many questions because we have already got our cabinet design done, but I will share with you what we are going to do. So on this side, there's going to be a fridge over there rather than a pantry cabinet, and then dishwasher. You get the gist. Here's the actual drawing of it. On this side, there will not be a fridge anymore. There will just be an oven in the middle and symmetrical cabinets on each side with a microwave over top of the oven. So no real questions. I guess the only question is we're teeter-tottering on whether to go with granite countertops or to go with kind of that butcher block that we've been going with. Of course, granite is more expensive, but this is in Southwest Roanoke, so it's gonna be a more expensive price tag when the house is finished. So let me know, you think it's worth going the extra mile to get the granite. It's not only more expensive, it takes weeks to get this granite stuff done, as to, you know, when we do the butcher block, it takes, well, 20 minutes to install the counters. In the bathroom now, there's another huge mirror. Don't have many questions in here. This thing will be completely ripped out and renovated to the fullest extent. One thing that is intriguing that was in here was these little folding doors. So when you were taking a number 1 or number 2 in that wildly small toilet, there was no way to lock the door. So odd. We will be putting a door in there. Not much to cover in the other bedrooms. You've seen one, you've seen them all. This place does have a sick back porch. I mean, it is huge, for one. It's covered. Ceiling fan, the works. Very private back here. Nothing really to change back here. Probably these old lights. But super pumped about this porch on this place. If I was moving here, this would be a perfect place to read my Bible in the morning. There is a full unfinished basement downstairs, so this place does have ample storage. I'm pumped about this project. Follow along if you want to see the transformation that we're going to do on the interior of this place. The way we got this house was because someone inherited it and they didn't want to deal with going on the market, dealing with inspections, repairs, commissions, all that different stuff. They just wanted a cash offer. They called us, we got them one, we got it closed in less than a month. It's a super simple way of selling an inherited house in Roanoke, Virginia. So we got this house, but we do need more. So text me at 540-527-2000 if you know of anyone who needs to sell a home. I'll be happy to get them a cash offer. No strings attached.